Crafty Angels, Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And today I'm here with a project share that I did on December 8th with Mrs. Gigi. And our theme was what makes you think of Christmas? And this is what I did. I'm trying to bring back things that I have not done in a while. So here we go. What makes me think of Christmas is the snow that we get here on the East Coast. Gingerbread man cooking in the oven, baking in the oven. The decor of like the Christmas tree, stockings, the candy canes, baby Jesus' manger, snowman, and all the different lights and decorations they have on people's homes. So this is my rendition of what makes me think of Christmas. So I would like to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't done so already, please do hit that big red subscribe button down below and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell down below next to the subscribe button to get notified of when I upload new content, when I do a premiere, or when I go live. And remember, you're always where everything is made with love in every stitch. Please be kind, be caring, be blessed, be safe, be crafty, and I will see you all in the next video and on the safe side. On the flip side, happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget, and bye-bye for now.